Run into. He runs into the wall. She runs into her friend in the mall. She runs into her friend in the mall. Walk into. He walks into the room. She walks into the shop. She walks into the shop. She walks into the shop. Step into. He steps into the car. She steps into the office. She steps into the office. Jump into. He jumps into the pool. The boy jumps into the water. The boy jumps into the water. Dive into. He dives into the sea. The swimmer dives into the pool. The swimmer dives into the pool. Slide into. He slides into the room. The player slides into the base. The player slides into the base. Crawl into. The baby crawls into the room. The cat crawls into the box. The cat crawls into the box. Sneak into. He sneaks into the house. The boy sneaks into the kitchen. The boy sneaks into the kitchen. Rush into. He rushes into the building. She rushes into the classroom. She rushes into the classroom. Move into. They move into a new house. She moves into the apartment. She moves into the apartment.